At a factory lot in Nilai, Seremban, precision and durability are essential for concrete cutting. This project involves cutting grade 30 concrete, where proper expansion joints are critical to prevent cracking and ensure long-term structural performance. For this job, the contractor is using the COOLMAN 14-inch PDA laser-welded blade installed on a road cutter powered by the Launtop LT460Q1 engine with 18 horsepower. The required cutting depth is 2 inches. To maintain stability and maximize blade lifespan, the contractor performs the cutting in 2 layers, 1 inch per pass. This method reduces stress on the blade, improves control, and ensures a cleaner cutting result. Now, let's look at the performance. For the first layer, the total cutting length achieved is 526 meters, with an average speed of 3.8 meters per minute. Throughout the operation, the condition remains excellent. There is no chipping, no overheating, and the cutting line stays smooth and precise. Previously, the contractor was using a competitor blade, which was only able to achieve around 196 meters per run under similar conditions. But with COOLMAN, you get up to 2.7 times longer lifespan. To complete the full 526-meter run, competitor blades would require nearly 3 pieces, while just one COOLMAN PDA blade completes the job. This results in fewer blade changes, reduced downtime, and significantly lower operating costs. According to the contractor, he is highly satisfied with the performance. The COOLMAN PDA blade delivers reliability, efficiency, and consistent results on site. COOLMAN, built for performance, engineered for durability, and trusted by professionals.